Thank you very much for giving me this opportunity to attend this program. And back home in my hospital, we have recently started the CTO program, and we are in early stages. So I came to know about this program through a friend, and I found it would be useful to me. And I came, and I found that it was a great learning being here. And it's a very focused program. That's one thing I found, rather than those big intervention conferences. Here you focus, you get a focus on a particular area of intervention cardiology, like CTO, and so that your learning is also more focused, as I found. And from yesterday's these cases, actually the cases are presented, and I like the format. There's a pre-case discussion where it is discussed, the approach is discussed, and the difficulties which potentially will arise, they are addressed. And then actually the case is done by the proctor, and we see practically how it is done, what difficulties arise, and how to circumvent them. And then there's very nicely, I saw there's a post-discussion also, where whatever steps were taken, how they went, and how they were addressed. So that's a very nice format for practical learning. And among the cases, in my learnings, I found, as Dr. Sharath Reddy showed us, the importance of guide support, how important it is in the techniques of the CTO wiring, etc., that we do. And that was something new I learned, and the importance to place on it. And second, the concept of wiring, that was a new learning. I mean, basically, it's not, as he said, Dr. Sharath, this wire or that wire. It is basically the concept of wiring. When to use the internal tracking wiring, when to use these intermediate directed wires, and when to use these hard penetration wires. As he said, he mainly uses 3 wires only. So it's basically because of the concept of wiring. I think that's why there's no need to learn about so many wires, which are otherwise and which often tend to confuse us at this stage. So overall, I find it's an excellent program, and I would recommend it to my colleagues so that they also learn in this area. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Dr. Praveen Pavaru, currently working in Myanmar. Thank you, Dr. Sharath, Dr. Anil, and Dr. Sridhar for giving the opportunity to attend this program. The program is very informative and simplified decoding. Really, there is a decoding of the CTO in the form of making the steps very easy and explaining the hardware and the approach to the procedures. I wish I could learn more about this. Very, very best wishes for the program. Future will attend more programs.
Hi, I am Dr. Sharath GV from Tumkur, Bangalore. So attended this program for the first time. It was very informative. Most importantly is to how to analyze the CTO, the planning and planning the strategy of doing the CTO was the most important thing. Important learning points were we were not used to doing CTOs frequently. Now at least we have some confidence of going and doing some CTO cases. The most important thing is the guide support, wiring strategy, and the selection of the wires are the most important learning points in this workshop. And I'm very happy with the way sir has looked to make this a complex interventional procedure into a simple one. Probably we all get to work much more with CTO patient than before. Thank you.
I would firstly like to thank Dr. Sharath Reddy sir for providing this opportunity. It was a very enlightening workshop where we learned how to go about in a case of a CTO, how to approach, how to plan to begin with before going ahead with the CTO intervention, and what are the problems that we should anticipate, and what should be the hardware we should be ready with before going ahead with the CTO intervention, and what should be our plan 1, plan B, plan C. So there should be always a plan if initial step fails. So all in all, it was a very good informative workshop, and I hope more such sessions will be conducted, and we will learn more from such workshops, and we can put whatever we have learned here in our practice. Thank you.
Hi, I am Dr. Manu Bhaskar. I am working as a cardiologist at Palakkad, Kerala, Tangam Hospital. I have attended this 2-day workshop on CTO, how to analyze the CTO angiograms, the pre-procedure planning. These I found them to be very useful, and how the time spent on pre-procedure planning can actually reduce the total time of the procedure and make the unexpected complications also to the minimum. I would recommend this program to my friends and colleagues.
Hi, I'm Dr. Varun Mitra from Ongole, working as a cardiologist there. I really enjoyed this workshop a lot. Very good informative sessions, and the mock training is also good. And I definitely like to attend more workshops in the future. Thank you.
Good afternoon. Myself, Dr. Nikhil from Aditya Hospital, Good. First of all, I am very thankful to Dr. Sharath sir and Medicover Hospital for conducting this CMA program. Basically, I am a fresher. I passed my DM last year only. I know very little basics about chronic total occlusion. Through the CME conducted by Sharath sir and his team, I am now more well versed in the chronic total occlusions. Basically, I am very interested in how here the pre-case discussion was made, and it's very helpful for other freshers like me.
Hello, I'm Dr. Avinash from Vijayawada. I'm very thankful to Dr. Sharath sir for organizing this conference. So it was very helpful. The extensive approach and to the planning of the CTO was very well explained. I would like to come again and again for this CME to learn the advanced procedures of CTO. Thank you.
Hello, my name is Dr. Gaurav Bhattacharya. I am from Bardwan, West Bengal. I am very honored to attend this workshop organized by Medicover Hospital and Sharath Reddy sir. And here I learned mainly how to strategize before planning a CTO case and what are the options we have. And we should always be ready with plan B and plan C if plan A fails. And I also came to know about different hardwares that are being used during a CTO case and different strategies. I am very happy to be here, and I want to come again and again in similar type of workshops. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Kripashendu from Kolkata. I had learned a lot from here, from the CTO, about how to get inside the CTO, techniques and wiring techniques, crossing the lesion, and I've seen CTO about the ready CTO. So, great session. Nice.
Myself, Dr. Amitav Das from Kolkata. I have come here to join the CTO workshop, and it was a very nice lesson, nice experience where we learned about the different hardwares, the different techniques of CTO, and how to tackle the CTO lesions. It was overall a great experience.
Hello, my name is Dr. Nilesh. I attended this session for second time, and it was very informative. I learned about how to read the CTO angiogram and how to take the help of CT scan also for reading CTO angiograms. I learned about the Y-axis techniques and the formation of the loop, how to form a loop, and then enter in the distal vessel. Overall, the experience of this seminar was very good.
Hello, I am Dr. Sridhar Bade from Ahmednagar, and I have attended the Decoding CTO workshop here at Medicover Hospital. It was a great session with a variety of cases and a lot of important learning points. We were able to learn various things like planning the CTO strategy beforehand, selecting the appropriate hardware, using the proper guide wires and other hardwares, and as well as a few bailout strategies also. The lectures were great, and the use of all the audio-visual aids and technology was also amazing. I thank Medicover Hospital and Dr. Sharath sir for this opportunity.
Hello, I am Dr. Pankaj Raut. I am intervention cardiologist from Nagpur. attended this CTO workshop with Dr. Sharath Reddy sir at Medicover Hospital. Excellent learning experience, and it was practical, tip-oriented and scientific program. We thank Sharath sir. Best luck for future programs. Thank you.
Myself, Dr. Swapnil Mugansi, working at Asian Global Hospital, Ahmednagar. So I have attended the Decoding CTO workshop held at Medicover Hospital, Hyderabad. It was actually a good learning experience, and the most important thing I have learned that the pre-procedure planning and how to use the various wires and other hardwares while doing the CTO, and how to execute those pre-planning what we have considered. And it is a must attend workshop for everyone who is in the early career of doing the CTOs. Thank you so much.
Yeah, hello, this is Dr. Onkar Thopte. I am here at a Medicover hospital in Hyderabad. We attended the decoding of the CTO 2023 session by Dr. Sharath Reddy sir. It was amazing session. To start from the basics of the CTO, we learned all the approaches step by step, and I would recommend the new cardiologists to attend the sessions. Thank you so much.